Is this really me saying these words, or am I just a deep fake? The 1973 movie Westworld was the first use of computer-generated imagery, or CGI. Exciting at the time, it doesn't hold a candle to the ways that video can be manipulated these days. Stop-motion animation is the art of taking a photo of something, moving it a little, taking another photo, moving it a little, and doing that over and over and over, and then stringing those photos together into a movie. It's tedious, but it's art. Humans will never have to alter one frame of video at a time ever again. We have taught the computer how to do that for us through machine learning. Remove the contrails from the sky in an historical film? Easy. Make it look like there are 100,000 orcs in Middle-earth? Of course. Swap out one actor for another? Done. Video is now as pliable as clay. And understanding video lets computers navigate the real world. Robots and self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are possible because computers are fast enough now to interpret the signals they get from video cameras, reading the light bouncing off of things. Radar, which stands for radio detection and ranging. Radio waves bounce off of things. And LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. Pulsed lasers bouncing off of things. Computers have gotten so good at understanding the visual world, they can be used to make people you recognize look like they're saying things they never said. Those things are called deep fakes. A deep fake is when you map one person's face onto another. You give the computer a whole bunch of pictures of the person you want to imitate, record yourself saying whatever you want coming out of their mouth, and then the machine learns how to make your target's mouth and facial expressions move just like yours. Then, with lots of examples of your target's voice, the computer makes it sound like them as well. It's scary stuff. From now on, you will not be able to trust that a picture or a video you see online is the real deal. It's time to increase your skeptical outlook, as well as your critical thinking skills when it comes to video.